Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a minestra soup recipe. Now minestra soup is similar to minestrone soup. Minestrone has a tomato broth. This soup is lighter. So I'm just going to use a simple chicken stock, and I'm going to add beans and vegetables and some seasonings and just let it cook for a while. So here I have some chopped garlic. And I have a mix of vegetables. So there's some cabbage, some collard greens, this is some summer squash, and there's a little bit of onion in here as well. So I'm just going to dump that into the broth as well. I'm going to add some garbanzo beans, give it some protein and some substance. A little bit of salt, some black pepper, and some basil leaf. And once that's all in there, all it needs to do is cook for half an hour, 45 minutes or so. The stock is done. It's a really tasty stock, so that's going to help as well. So now the minestra soup has been cooking for about half an hour. The vegetables are still colorful, they still have some life in them, but they're also cooked through. So some lovely broth, some lovely vegetables, and chickpeas. And there you have the minestra soup.